Faial, also known as the Blue Island of the Azores, is home to unique biodiversity. The Faial Nature Park was created to manage and preserve this natural treasure for future generations in a sustainable way. The award-winning Cabelinhos Volcano Interpretation Center opened in 2008. This regenerated building informs visitors about the island's volcanic origin. The center is located beneath an old lighthouse and is a remarkable example of sustainable architecture, bringing together the old and the new. The Interpretation Center is also the starting point of the Trail of 10 Volcanoes. On different routes, tourists can explore the park with its stunning flora and fauna, unique to the Azores.
C'est notre premier voyage aux Açores et ce qui nous a plu, c'est le paysage, les arbres, la végétation et puis cette petite promenade est magnifique dans le sous-bois.
The trails end at the top of the Cabelinhos volcano with an outstanding view over the caldera. Faial always has been a popular meeting place for circumnavigators and globetrotters. At the world-famous Peter Cafe Sport in Orta, sailors and locals exchange experiences and sailors' tales. Traditionally, every sailor crossing the Atlantic leaves a painting at the harbour. As a result, Orta features the largest maritime painting collection in the world.
Also ich bin der Captain auf dem Boot. Wir sind gerade über den Atlantik gesegelt und das Erste, was mir da auffällt, ist alles super grün. Es ist ein riesiger Garten, die ganze Insel.
Faial's past is closely connected to its maritime heritage and whaling. Another regenerated historical site is the old whaling factory. Following the decline of the whaling industry, the factory was turned into a museum.
Se não fosse esse sistema de, portanto, ter parado com a caça-baleia, como já tinha dito, eu penso que já não existiam mais baleias no mar. E agora, como há esta parte portanto, de visitar, ir lá fora os turistas visitar as baleias e foi muito importante desenvolver muito o turismo.
To get an even closer look at the whales, visitors can go on special boat tours. There you can spot more than 24 species, ranging from the blue whale to sperm whales and dolphins.
Ja, das Walwatching war ganz großartig. Wir haben uns heute spontan eigentlich entschieden mitzufahren und es war ein riesiges Erlebnis.
Unique landscapes, an impressive flora and fauna and the careful regeneration of historical places make a visit to the Faial Nature Park an expedition you'll never forget.